Good morning everyone and welcome to Early 7 Farm. My name is Wei. As you all know, aside from doing this farm homesteading that I have, I also have a full-time job in the city in Manila. I always wanted to share with you. I'm saving it until I reach 1,000 subscribers to make sure that I can share it to as much as number of people, but it looks like it will take a while, though I'm just in the past midway of that 1,000 subscriber. I'll share it to you guys, but still you can help me reach my goal, and please do subscribe, like, and share this with your friend. So I'll take you to Manila and I'll show you the other side of Early 7 Farm. Good morning everyone. This is Wei from Early 7 Farm. I thought I'd share the other side of what I do. You mostly see me as a farmer tending to his farm, sharing with you guys the area where I work professionally. So, it's nice to be back. Our building is just across the street. I'm waiting for the traffic to start, and we're almost there. Right. Honestly, I feel different dressing up. I got used to wearing my farmer's hat, my boots, and getting dirty. I need to wear my mask to be able to enter the building. I am here. So badging in for the first time. I'm here at the elevator going up of the building. There's still not too many people coming into the office, so it's not that busy, which is good. Going up. Sir. Okay guys, I'm here at our office, so I wanted to share with you. So as you can see, there's no people around yet. I wanted to show the view of where I am working here in Manila. We are on the 29th floor in one of the buildings here, so you got great view. Being at the farm is really different from what I do professionally, but it complements. So when I am out in the farm, it relaxes me. So this is my seat, close to the window, and these are my stuff. Please continue to support our channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe, and put a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.